fractally and singular. It becomes duality when it chooses to express. So when you want to put vibration into the field, when you express yourself from the frequency, based on the frequency, moves and reflects itself to another hologram within the consciousness itself. So when it expresses itself based on a frequency vibration by your thoughts and emotion, if for some reason you do not know how to control your emotions and thoughts, you actually can drop the frequency vibration into a different type of parallel reality. It's gonna start reprinting now in a different outcome. And this, remember the structure 1 + 1 = 3. So between those two, when you collapse that, the end result will be 1 + 1 = 3. 1 + 1 equals the structure between those two. But why did they put =1 again? Because it collapses again to one unit, one structure, one molecule, one universe in a now. I gave you this in linear so you can see it. But in actuality, this is what's happening, overlapping on top of each other. So this is the structure of this. When reprint itself is actually bringing and collapsing all the structure together and becomes this structure within a structure. When this happens and you control the structure, this is based on sound and light curvature. I did tell you the light has a curvature because when printing is connected with the latitude and altitude of the space-time, and that is, remember, under the umbrella of consciousness itself. Okay, and all that I'm showing you here is under consciousness itself in a now momentum. When we have that modality, and this is created from the light curvature and becomes infinite imprint within the structure itself. And when you express as a matter yourself, has a specific DNA, it can change the DNA, mutate the DNA, and based on that, you can shift to a different parallel timelines of existence and collapse in the end, which is going to give you different latitude, altitude, and stargates and timeline. The sound plus the magnetic field, sound plus magnetism, negative, positive, which is magnetic and gravitational field within the location, plus the collapse of this structure equals 0 point of a stillness. Becomes the void, becomes knowingness in the now, and that 0 point of acknowledgement by you recognizing that everything is in your field and is there for a reason. You cannot reject your own structure, but you are aware what the negative is doing, and yet you holding your positivity in a positive magnetic field is going to create that unit in balance. And that is the most power energy that holds the God consciousness power within you. So after that becomes a free energy field. Why is that? Because when you hold in one unit all the structure through the understanding of your consciousness momentum, you're gonna hold the power and the potency of consciousness itself within you, because you are fractal momentum of God itself.